In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Gallery app, tapping on Allow in the pop-up, and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select all of them, hit Select All at the top right corner. You can always exclude some by tapping on them. Like that. To delete the rest, tap on Remove at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and confirm my choice in the pop-up, I can see that all of my chosen pictures were successfully selected and deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!